Hello friends, I'm Sudhir and you're enjoying the YouTube channel English Carnival, a journey of learning with joy. Friends, this channel is dedicated to English language, literature, criticism, academics, motivation and many more. Friends, in our today's video, we are going to explore some multiple choice questions based on R.K. Narayan's popular work called The Guide. But friends, before we proceed, I request you to subscribe the channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon, so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such videos on this particular channel called English Carnival in coming days. Friends, R.K. Narayan's The Guide talks about the Indian way of life and the culture and tradition of our country, India. Friends, he uses typical Indian characters in this piece of literature and tries to create a typical atmosphere of Indian culture. The main characters are there in this work are Raju, Rosie, Marco, and some minor characters are also there. And friends, here R.K. Narayan gives the true, or he tries to give the true social picture of India through this renowned work called The Guide. So friends, without delay, let us explore some multiple choice questions based on this popular work of R.K. Narayan. First question we have, friends, the novel The Guide was written in dash. Options are A 1958, B 1959, C 1960 and D 1980. The correct answer is A, that is 1958. Question number 2 we have, what is the name of the town where the novel is set? Options are A Mumbai, B Mysore, C Malgudi and D Jaipur. The correct answer is C, that is Malgudi. Question number 3 we have, how does Raju feel about Velen talking to him? Options are A he is elated, B he is indifferent, C he is angry and D he is lonely so it is okay. The correct answer is D, that is he is lonely so it is okay. Question number 4 we have, Velen's problem concerns his dash. Options are A mother, B half sister, C children and D wife. The correct answer is B, that is half sister. Question number 5 we have, where did Raju go after getting off from the jail? Options are A the barber, B a restaurant, C a cloth store and D the church. The correct answer is A, that is the barber. Question number 6 we have, Raju's father dash. Options are A runs a shop, B is a landowner, C is a doctor and D drives trains. The correct answer is A, that is Raju's father runs a shop. Question number 7 we have, Raju's father loves dash. Options are A reading books, B counting his money, C talking with the people of town and D none of these. The correct answer is C, that is talking with the people of town. Question number 8 we have, what exciting thing is built in Malgudi? Options are A a train station, B a library, C a cafe and D a mall. The correct answer is A, that is a train station. Question number 9, after Raju gets in trouble he is sent to dash. Options are A drive cattle, B his uncle, C school and D none of these. The correct answer is C, that is school. Question number 10 we have, Raju's school teacher can be described as dash. Options are A irritable, B cool, C funny and D cruel. The correct answer is A, and that is irritable. Question number 11 we have, after his father dies Raju dash. Options are A sells the house, B takes over the railway shop, C takes wife, D none of these. Correct answer is B, that is after the death of his father he takes over the railway shop. Question number 12 we have, Raju loves dash. Options are A flirting with the customers, B talking to people, C making money and D all of above. The correct answer is B, that is talking with people. Question number 13 we have, Raju's nickname is dash. Options are A railway, B regal, C rascal and D reliable. The correct answer is A, that is railway. Question number 14 we have, to seem more holy, Raju does all the following except what? Options are A. Grows beard, B. Refuses to talk to villagers, C. Grows long hair, and D. None of these. The correct answer is B, that is refuses to talk to villagers. Question number 15 we have, Gafur is a or an dash. Options are A. Caretaker, B. Chauffeur, C. Guide, and D. Shopkeeper. The correct answer is B, and that is chauffeur. Question number 16 we have, Raju is liked because dash. Options are A. Tells the customers what they have to do, B. Is smarter than the customer, C. Only texts on select customers, and D. Anticipates customers' needs. Correct answer is D, that is he anticipates customers' needs. Question number 17 we have, what is the only thing Rosie says she wants to do at first? Options are A. See the shop, B. Go to cinema, C. Go into the caves, and D. See a king cobra dance. The correct answer is D, that see a king cobra dance. Question number 18 we have, what does Marco like studying? Options are A. The contemporary art, B. The caves, C. The people of Malgudi, and D. The flora and fauna. The correct answer is B, that is the caves. Question number 19 we have, where do Marco and Rosie live? Options are A. Mumbai, B. Malgudi, C. Delhi, and D. Madras. The correct answer is D, that is Madras. Question number 20 we have, before meeting Rosie, Raju can be described as dash. Options are A. Amiable, B. Efficient, C. Self-interested, and D. All the above. Correct answer is D, and that is all the above. Question number 21 we have, what are the main themes of R.K. Narayan's fiction? Options are A. Simple people with simple lives living in a changing world, B. The main characters search for identity, C. Everyday village life in India, and D. All of above. The correct answer is D, and we find all the above themes in the fiction of R.K. Narayan. Question number 22 we have, which of the following books by R.K. Narayan is not a collection of short stories? Options are A. The World of Nagraj, B. Lolly Road, C. The Grandmother's Tale, and D. Malgudi Days. The correct answer is A, that is The World of Nagraj. Question number 23, Dash is the name of R.K. Narayan's first novel. Options are A. The Far Pavilions, B. The Bachelor of Arts, C. The Dark Room, and D. Swami and Friends. The correct answer is D, that is Swami and Friends. Question number 24 we have, what do the children convince to accompany them to the temple? Options are A. The village elders, B. Their parents, C. The village officials, and D. None of these. Correct answer is B, and that is their parents. Question number 25 we have, how does Velen respond after hearing the truth about Raju? Options are A. He is unswerved in his devotion, B. He feels deeply betrayed, C. He is shocked into disbelief, and D. None of these. The correct answer is A, that is he is unswerved in his devotion. Question number 26 we have, Raju asked Dash for a loan to pay the creditor. Options are A. Gafur, B. Rosie, C. His mother, and D. His uncle. The correct answer is A, that is Gafur. Question number 27 we have, what is Raju's favorite season? Options are A. The dry season, B. The harvesting season, C. The planting season, and D. The rainy season. The correct answer is B, that is the harvesting season. Question number 28 we have, what does Raju notice around the temple? Options are A. It fails to rain, B. The river rises to a record high, C. The villagers are ill, and D. It becomes increasingly muggy. The correct answer is D, that is it becomes increasingly muggy. Question number 29 we have, what was Marco's view of Rosie's passion? Options are A. He forbids it, B. He was bored by it, C. He thought it was nice but unnecessary, and D. He encouraged it. Correct answer is A, that is he forbids it. Question number 30 we have, who informs an update of village violence to Raju? Options are A. Valent's nephew, B. Valent's brother, C. Valent's uncle, and D. Valent's sister. The correct answer is B, that is Valent's brother. Question number 31 we have, how much money does the cattle herder earn? Options are A. 4 annas a month per home, B. a total of 4 annas a week, C. a total of 4 annas a month, and D. 4 annas a week per home. Correct answer is C, a total of 4 annas a month. Question number 32 we have, what did Raju promise his mother when he took on his new job? Options are A. she could visit him at his new job, B. he would always provide her necessary things, C. he would still look after the railway shop, and D. none of these. The correct answer is C, that is he would still look after the railway shop. Question number 33 we have, what was Raju's fate after he became preoccupied with Rosie? Options are A. he was assaulted by Marco, B. he lost all other relationships, C. he finally found peace, and D. he lost his business. The correct answer is D. he lost his business. Question number 34 we have, when was Narayan born? Options are A. 1905, B. 1906, C. 1907, and D. 1908. The correct answer is B, and he was born in 1906. Question number 35 we have, dash is the full name of R.K. Narayan. Options are A. Rashipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayan Swami, B. Rashipuram Krishna Swami Narayan Swami, C. Rashipuram Krishna Narayan Swami, D. Rashipuram Krishna Iyer Narayan Swami. The correct answer is A, and that is his full name is Rashipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayan Swami. Question number 36 we have, in which year R.K. Narayan got Sahitya Akademi Award? Options are A. 1959, B. 1960, C. 1961, and D. 1962. The correct answer is B, that is 1960. Question number 37 we have, who called Swami and Friends a book in 10,000? Options are A. R.K. Narayan himself, B. Graham Greene, C. Rabindranath Tagore, and D. none of these. The correct answer is B, and that is Graham Greene. Question number 38 we have, R.K. Narayan was awarded Sahitya Akademi Award for his dash. For his which work? Options are A. A Bachelor of Arts, B. The Guide, C. Swami and Friends, and D. The Far Pavilions. The correct answer is B, that is The Guide. Then we have question number 39. R.K. Narayan received the Padma Bhushan Award in which year? Options are A. 1963, B. 1964, C. 1965, and D. 1966. The correct answer is B, that is 1964. The last question, question number 40 we have, R.K. Narayan was died in which year? Options are A. 2000, B. 2001, C. 2002, and D. 2003. The correct answer is B, that is he was died in 2001. So friends, all these are the multiple choice questions based on R.K. Narayan's popular novel called The Guide. Friends, I am sure you have liked all these multiple choice questions based on The Guide, and if you have really liked it, then I request you to like it, share it among your friends, near and dear ones as well. If you are a new viewer to this channel, then I request you to subscribe the channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon, so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such videos on this particular channel called English Carnival in coming days. So friends, we'll meet soon again with different video of multiple choice questions. Till then friends, just take care of yourself and be happy. Thank you very much.